Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
The pavement goodbye, gentlemen. When I'm finished with you, you'll have mud in places you didn't know you had.
Yo!
Famous race car. A real race car.
I'm Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen!
Yes!
Take Matt. We'll relax, stretch out in the trailer. I'll be there.
making me a disguise.
Voice recognized. Disguise program initiated. oil company's got a grip on the government. They're feeding us a bunch of lies, man.
Aha, back it up. Real fun.
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
That got touched in.
Hay noticias. El chico Jackson Storm le acaba de poner un buen alto al rayo McQueen.
Oh, right. The wooden brake blocks. How could I forget? With all the less than...
Hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente y fuera.
Team bring excellence and professionalism to this competition.
Right here.
Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very...
To him. Hey! Anyone want to be his lawyer?
She.
Right there, in the hood, right there.
¿Te gusta nuestra
He keeps those afterburners blazing.
Ah, awesome.
Well, there you go, Dusty.
Thanks, Chuck.
I hereby dub thee Sir.
Act civilized. We got...
Pass him, then win. Francesco always wins.
It's a ball.
I gotta tell you, dude, you were in trouble for a
just go as
And those open wheels.
From Lightning McQueen, he will use all in all in the final race. That's right, what occurred today. Responding, where's me? Red peppers, pal. Make room for me.
On my way. I'm about to get a moving violation. Pardon me, young man. You're blocking my view. Could you please step aside?
Come on! That's the deal. Come on, we gotta get back out there. Hurry up!